If you want to buy a house without driving yourself into the poorhouse, who better to talk to than Maria Gaitan? Maria has spent decades as a bank vice president before she became the director of housing counseling at Consolidated Credit, one of the nation's largest and oldest nonprofit credit counseling agencies. Now, her job is helping people with financial education and also getting people into an affordable home or stopping them from being evicted from one. How does she do it? Let's find out. Hi, Maria. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm great. So how do you do it?
Well, let me tell you first that Consolidated Credit is a HUD-approved counseling agency. And how we do it is we do one-on-one counseling. We do present workshops. We present seminars, webinars, whatever works best for the individual.
If someone already owns a home, but they're having trouble paying off their mortgage, is there any hope for them? Are they doomed?
Well, actually, they are not doomed. What I would suggest is that they call a housing counseling agency like Consolidated Credit and speak with one of our certified housing counselors. And they will assess their situation and then, based on that, give them options. There's so many options that homeowners don't really know about. For example, refinancing, modification, short sale, you name it. So there's options and definitely there's hope. What the counselor does is they review the homeowner's situation and then they give them the options that are most beneficial to them.
What about reverse mortgages? I hear about them all the time. They're on the radio, they're online. It sounds almost too good to be true. What's the catch?
Well, reverse mortgages are great for the right person. First of all, you have to be at least 62 years of age. And then you have to have a home with equity. But a reverse mortgage is an excellent vehicle for someone that is on a fixed income, that needs some extra cash, but still retain ownership of their home.
Let's talk about these homebuyer education workshops. Tell me about those.
Well, those are actually very important for individuals that are thinking of buying a home. Because when they come to these workshops, first of all, it's an all-day workshop. It's an 8-hour workshop. And they hear from all different types of industry experts. They learn about the mortgage process. They hear from realtors. They learn how to budget to purchase the home and so forth and so on. And then, because we are a HUD-approved agency, we are able to give them a certificate of completion, which they can in turn use to apply and to qualify for some down payment assistance programs.
So it's definitely an action-packed day.
Absolutely. 8-hour, definitely.
It sounds pretty comprehensive.
It is. And, one of the things that I like people to know is that our counselors are experienced and they're certified. And, we see our job as giving people options on how to buy a house or how to retain their home.
Okay, before we say goodbye, any last pearls of wisdom, any great pieces of advice for people shopping for homes?
This is a really great time to purchase because the economy is doing well and interest rates are low. And again, I would suggest that there's someone thinking of buying a home, that they get some advice from a certified housing counselor. Those professionals that are going to help them make that a reality.
Well, she's part of our dream team. Thank you so much, Maria.
Well, thank you.